Yo guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video we will fix this Pitbike. The problem we are running into is that it has no spark. We already checked the wiring and it's looking good, so there's no problem in the wiring. So now we have to check the ignition coils. They are hiding underneath the flywheel, so we have to take the flywheel off right now. Normally when you take a flywheel off you have to have some type of pull system, but this one was really loose, so I could take it off by hand. So guys, it's the next day and I didn't show you in the video, but the ignition plate screws were stripping out. So I bought an impact driver today in the marketplace and also a drill. This drill will save us a lot of time taking off all these little screws. So now we can take out the screws with the impact driver. So I bought this new ignition plate. It cost me around 15 euros or something. So let's install this plate. So now let's connect the wiring. The wires on the replacement part are in a different color, so we have to figure out which wire goes where by ourselves. So guys, we got the wiring system to work. Now we have a spark, so that's great. So I changed out the coil, but I guess that the problem is not in the coil, the problem was in the wiring. So now we can change it back. So guys, thank you for watching. In the next video we will jump this thing to the moon and we race it everywhere. So stay tuned, give me a like and a subscribe if you support the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.